Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford and I will show you how to reset and clear TPMS tire light. Now this video will apply 2011 all the way up to 2019. Now if you own 2016 to 2019, that's after the facelift, but the process should still be the same. Okay, so before I start, first I will explain you what has to be done. You'll have to enter the tire relearn mode, and once you enter the mode, you'll have to proceed outside the vehicle and manually relearn each of the sensors, starting from front left, front right, and rear left. And once done, your light should be off. Now, before I start the relearn process, first I will mention also, most likely you will need the TPMS scan tool to relearn each of the sensors. It's doable sometimes without it. Instead of using the tool to relearn each sensors, you can try to release the air from each of the tires, and if you're lucky, that will reprogram each of the sensors. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. My advice is try to get the scan tool. You can buy them quite cheap nowadays online, some entry models for under $100. Other option is, at least here in Canada, most of the tire shops will rent it out for like $20-25, and then you can do it. But if you buy it, you can reuse it on any vehicles in the future that you have to. Now I will show you how this scanner works. Most of them are pretty similar, so what I have to do, I go under service TPMS, and then I have to select make, model and year. So it's a Ford Explorer 2014. Manual relearn. Now I have to select if I have a standard ignition or push button start. I have a push button start. Okay, and that's it. And now I can proceed outside and scan and relearn each of the tire sensors. To enter the tire learn mode, first what you want to do, you want to press the brake pedal once while the vehicle is turned off. And now you want to press the start button 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, you will press and release the brake pedal again. And now you will press this button again 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th time, you will hear a horn sounds, beeps, and here you will get the message, train left front tire. And now I can proceed outside and relearn each of the tire sensors. Like I mentioned before, I will start from the front left tire and press scan. Once the first one is done, you will again hear the horn beeps, and you will get the information here. So battery status okay, PSI in the tire, and green light pass. Once done, press OK and proceed to the front right tire. This one is good as well. Pass, OK. Good to go. And the last one. And that's it. Once you do the 4th one, the programming is done and the light should be off. You will also get the message displayed in the vehicle, training complete. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I hope my video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.